Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Today I will show you how to make a leaf. Very simple. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all we chain 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now skip one and in the second make single crochet, in the next make half double crochet, and in the next make double crochet, and in the next make treble crochet. Turn twice from the hook, on the hook, 1 2 and 3. This is our treble crochet. So in the next again double crochet, and in the next half double crochet, and the next single crochet. Pull it. Now turn your work to the other side. We will make the other portion opposite side. So make in the first stitch single crochet, and in the next half double crochet, in the next double crochet. Do as I did before to this side, and now treble crochet. Turn your yarn twice on the hook, and then pull a loop from 2 loops, then again from 2 loops, and then again from 2 loops 3 times. Now again double crochet and half double crochet, and now make a slip stitch in the last one. So this is our leaf. Now make it tight and cut the yarn. I am using for this leaf 5 mm needle, and this is my cute beautiful leaf. I hope you will like it. It is very easy to make, so do it to yourself, and we will meet in another video very soon inshallah with new project. So take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. We will meet in another video inshallah. Till now, Allah Hafiz.